Hey guys, Miss Madeline here. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I achieve this natural bun mohawk. So I first start off by washing my hair, and I'm using the organic green tea 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo. This shampoo is very good because not only does it leave your hair feeling clean, but it actually also moisturizes your hair. Normally when I shampoo my hair is very stripped afterwards. But with this shampoo, my hair felt really soft and moisturized. So these are the tools that I'll be using to create this natural bun mohawk. And I like to start off with partially air-dried hair. So I will be stretching my hair out for this hairstyle. It's best if you work on stretched out hair. And I like to blow dry my hair in sections of 4. So to blow dry my hair, I'm using the Tresemme Botanic range, and this is a hair oil mist. So I'm using this hair oil as a heat protector. It does have coconut oil and aloe vera, which are very good for the hair. And as you can see, I am just blowing out my hair. And I literally repeat that on all my hair. And my hair feels really soft. This oil smells amazing. And you can already see that it's giving my hair a shine to it. And it really just makes working with your hair much easier. So I'm just repeating those steps on my whole head. Once you've blow dried or stretched out all your hair, we can begin to create the hairstyle. So the first thing I like to do is to part my hair down the middle, and this just makes parting my hair into 3 equal sections that much easier. So once I have my middle parting, I then part the first section of my hair from ear to ear. So what you want to do is just open a line from your first ear to the halfway mark of that middle section and repeat this on the second side. Honestly guys, this is about the hardest part of this hairstyle. Everything else is super easy. If you're struggling to really get neat lines, then you should really find someone to help you open up lines. But you need to section your hair into 3 parts. So this is the front section, and then I open another section at the back. Essentially, this is what you want to have once you've got your 3 sections. So now I am going in with this Tresemme Botanic hair food oil, and this stuff really smells amazing. It also has coconut oil as well as aloe vera oil, and I'm literally saturating my hair. And as you can see, my hair looks so shiny. It's so soft, it literally melts into your hair. And this is just going to ensure that my hair is kept moisturized with this hairstyle. And I'm especially focusing this hair food on the ends of my hair, just to ensure that my hair is moisturized from root to tip. After that, I take my Denman brush, and I really want to brush the product into my hair. And this also helps smooth my hair out in preparation for the hairstyle. So I really am just making sure that my hair is fully stretched out, especially those ends. You want to make sure that all your ends are combed out and that everything lays nicely on your head. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just tie my hair down with a ponytail or a scrunchie, and I want to make it as tight as possible because I want this look to be sleek, and I just want it to look sleek and neat. So all you do is just tie your hair, and I literally repeat that step across the 3 sections of my hair. literally guys, this hairstyle is so quick and easy. So now we're ready to create the bun mohawk. So you want to split your hair in two, smooth it out, and literally all you have to do is roll it forward and just pin it down with a bobby pin. It's really that easy guys. And here you can see me just pinning the hair down after I just rolled it up, and I'm literally going to do the same thing to the second half of that hair. Just make sure that the ends are nicely combed out and that the hair is as stretched as possible. Roll it up and just pin it down. It's really such an easy and quick hairstyle. All I did was repeat those steps on the second part of my hair, and now I'm just showing you how I did that with the last section. So again, I split the hair in two, smooth out the ends and roll it up and just pin it down. And literally guys, that is it. It's such an easy and quick hairstyle, so stylish, and the Tresemme Botanic range honestly just makes it look amazing. As you can see, my hair looks shiny, it looks healthy, it looks moisturized, and that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.